of the universal law. Awareness, awakening is the first. But to have awareness and awakening of the universe, you have to have acceptance. You love what you have, then you will have what you love. Everything, your being, you have to accept your being. Being a human being, your first natural law is a being as a human being. Where human being, first thing is a giving grace. Being and becoming who you are. The part and a parcel of universe. Continuously create till it is complete. Be divine. Doing and being in action is a karma. Doing divine. And also do what you can for this universe to be beautiful, this nature to be beautiful. Evolve, expand and enlighten. And if you get enlightenment, it comes from the light, illumination. Be fun-loving. The life is not the serious game. If you want to see everything which flow, it has a music. The violin which flow in the mastery creates a beautiful music. Mozart music flow in your heart. All the masters' creation in music, dance, living, creating, generating, giving, it's all flow. And the important is G, giving. Giving only divine, giving grace, giving happiness, giving bliss, giving peace, and create something to give to universe. If you don't have anything, the nature is there. You work for the nature, nature will work for you. It's a simple giving and receiving. If you give your breath, then you will get fresh breath. Being in the harmony of humanity. If you are human, your first thing is for the human. I have seen many people, they are more for their pets than other human beings. They have their choice. But it's like if you have come in the human race, the first priority, it creates this nature and create all humanity happy with the peace, prosperity, grace and giving, harmony with the humanity. This I is not I illness. This I is imagination, innovation, implementation, improvisation. All that you can contribute. It's intuition of the God which breathes in you. Joy. Just live in the moment. Live in the present. Kind, kinetic, charismatic. Whoever is a living being, whoever is in existence is ours. So accept. Be kind to the nature. Be kind to the whole universe. Love. L is for love to life. And be not a lonely, but living a life with a love, with the universe kindness. M. Have a magic. Om. Omnipresent magic. Everywhere there is a magic, miracle. Unless you meditate, unless you be silent, you cannot see. If your mind is full with the thoughts and the noise, you cannot see the inner voice of anybody, what is he singing, what is he wants. Meditation is very important to focus on receiving all the beautiful magic of the world. Shivdhyana Yoga, we teach Vismaya, enchantment, enlightenment, enhancement. Enjoy the music, enjoy the dance, enjoy the life, enjoy the poetry. The poetry of life, which is in the flying butterfly, in the singing beautiful song, somebody is playing beautiful guitar, music. You create music magic in the universe. You can listen. You can be a Shravana Manana Chintana, listener, contemplate and create. Nothingness is the first thing. If anything bad happens, you don't contribute to it, but with your love and grace, In the space of nothing, do something with your creation. Just contribute, create. There is no to no, yes to all which is beautiful. No to war, no to conflict, no to gossip. Make everything which is negative into nothing. Because in creation, you can create all positive. What you think you are. Do not talk about one no thing. Talk about 9,999 beautiful things. So which is nothing is a nothing. You cannot make nothing and make a gossip out of it. You have to create something which is substantial to create future from future. Being an opportunity, being omnipresent, only positive. I can understand, you can learn from negative thing not to create it. But you cannot brood and live in the past. Make the past into nothing. That is why after O only P come. It's a pure potential possibility. It's not probability. The doubt and fear is a probability. Whether I will do that and this will happen and that will happen. Krishna says, Karmanye vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. In your hand there is only good action. The result, it will happen when it will happen. It's work, 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 and then win, win, win. Sometimes it's work, 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 then it will start win, win, win. It's into the time and space, but be positive. Pure positive possibility. Everything is possible in this world. If you connect with the focus, if you are in the meditative stage, then from a magic of meditation, all the negative thing you can make to nothing, and all the positive thing you can create anything from anything, and anything from everything. Everything is possible. That is a pure potentiality. It's a pure possibility. Then quality. Quantum belief is there in life, possible with a meditation, with a focusing, with a focus on the world, in the focus of a contribution. That is a quality. You can make a quantum change in life of everybody around you, including yourself. And then responsibility. R for reality, responsibility. Not talk of reality, what is not happening. But in reality, create, 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 contribute, 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 and complete all the realized dream. Because this world is the world of the wisdom. Nature has a total wisdom. If you nature mirror, then there is only wisdom. It's a responsibility of creating, really realizing a truth of a creation. Yes, yes to all. Spirituality, spontaneity. God is, if you give, only divine. You are the part of the God. We are the part of God because we are the nature's existential energy creation. Trust, transcend, and travel from the humanity to humanity. Universal, be universal. Global oneness, universal oneness, universal togetherness, universal thought. Unity of energy creates the enchanting energy. V for victory. Your efforts gives you victory. And V is vibration. Everything in this universe is the vibrations. It's the energy. Everything living is with vibration. Vibrations, velocity, all the flow is the vibration, or the living being is the living vibrations. And victory is the magic of efforts. More efforts, more creation, more work. Work, work, work and win is a victory. So V stands for victory. Wisdom of the world has created all the invention of WWW. Anybody can have the knowledge of the universal wisdom on the fingertips. With the 21 gurus, what they have contributed to me, I can contribute to anybody in this world with this medium of the world wisdom sharing. X, there is need. X is not for no. X is for having X factor, having the factor of extension, experimentation. And Y is yes to all the positivity, all the potentiality, yes to all, giving grace. Being in the positive, perfect, pure, Satyam Shivam Sundaram, truth, Satya. Shivam is all the five elements of the sky, earth, inner space, vibrations, air awakening, yes to all. And Jed, Jing, just be whole and complete. We are all human beings who are whole and complete. And this is the gift of 21 masters from Himalaya and of Upanishada, Veda. All the masters of all the universe, all the religion, they are for the humanity, they are for this whole universe. There is no difference. Difference is in the language. There is only separation in the language. Otherwise, the flow of energy of the eternal existence is the one.